Alex thinks Starbucks doesn't have good coffee. Today, he tries a new drink for the first time. Does he like it or not? Follow Alex and Lori to Starbucks to find out.
Hey, Alex, do you want to get coffee?
Sure, I want a coffee too. Where do you want to go?
There's a Starbucks near here. It just opened.
Starbucks? Really? I usually go to small local cafes.
I know, but this place just opened. Just try it one time.
I don't know, Lori. I think Starbucks only has sweet drinks. I always drink black coffee.
They have strong drinks too, I promise.
Are you sure?
Yes, and it's only 5 steps from the office.
5 steps?
Okay, maybe a little more, but it's very close.
Okay, let's see if the coffee is good. Remember, do you want to get coffee? They're inside, and Alex is looking at everything for the first time. Okay, it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's really big. I like it here.
There are so many people.
It just opened, so everyone wants to try it.
So what do we do first?
Okay, so here is how it works. You order and pay at the counter first. Then you wait and they call your name.
And then a waiter brings it to the table?
No, you go and pick it up yourself. They put it on the pickup counter.
Oh, I see. That's different from my usual cafe.
Yes, but it's fast, don't worry.
Okay, but I still don't see black coffee on the menu.
They have espresso. That's very strong.
Espresso is too small. I want a full cup.
Then try the cold brew.
Cold brew? What is that?
It's coffee, but they make it with cold water.
Cold water? That sounds strange.
I know, but they keep it in cold water for many hours. So it's very bold, but easy to drink.
Bold? What does that mean?
It means the coffee taste is very rich, but it's not bitter like regular black coffee.
Not bitter? Really?
No, I think you'll like it.
And it's cold?
Yes, they put ice in it. It's one of the most popular drinks here.
Okay, I'll try it.
Good. One more thing. They have 3 sizes here. Tall, grande, or venti.
What do those mean?
Tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
That's confusing. Why not just say small, medium, and large?
I don't know, but everyone uses these words here.
Okay, I'll get a grande. Medium is enough for me. Remember, in Starbucks, tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large. They're ready to order. Listen to how they do it.
Okay, we need to join the line here.
There are a lot of people waiting.
It's okay, the line moves fast at Starbucks.
Okay, I hope the wait is not too long.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a grande caramel latte, please.
Sure. Any changes to your drink?
Yes, can I get it with oat milk?
Of course. And for you?
I'd like a grande cold brew, please.
Great. Do you want to add anything to it?
No, thank you, just the cold brew.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
Lori and Alex.
Great. Your total is $9.75.
Let me get this one.
Alex, I can pay for mine.
No, let me get this one.
But you always pay when we go out.
You picked this place and you showed me something new today. Let me pay, it's my treat.
Fine, but I'm paying next time.
Okay, next time you pay. Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. We'll call your name when your order is ready.
Thank you. Remember, it's my treat. You say this when you want to pay for someone else. So what do we do now?
We just wait here near the pickup counter.
The pickup counter over there?
Yes. When your drink is ready, they call your name.
And we just take it from there?
Exactly. It's simple.
Okay, I can hear them calling other names now.
Yes, it won't be long.
Lori and Alex, your order is ready.
That's us. Let's go.
They put a lot of ice in this.
Yes, cold brew always comes with ice.
Okay, and where do we sit?
Let's find a table. How about near the window?
Good idea. I like it there.
Let's sit here. This is my favorite spot.
I can see why. You can see the whole street from here.
I know. I love sitting here when I work.
You work here?
Sometimes it's quiet in the morning.
It's really nice in here.
Try your drink first.
You're right. Let me try it. It's really bold.
I told you.
And it's smooth too. I didn't know cold coffee can taste like this.
That's the cold brew. It has no bitter taste.
Okay, maybe Starbucks is not so bad.
Next time, try the Frappuccino.
Yeah, next time, let's see what else they have. That's the end of today's video. Lori and Alex had a great time at Starbucks today. Do you remember our question from the start? Does Alex like his cold brew or not? Write your answer in the comments. I'll read and reply to every comment. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy English videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.